Yeah, sugod ta. Ano? Adto na ta trabahoan. So, yan. Okay. Start motor. Tapos na. Okay. Adto na ta. Okay. So Lord, thank you for this another day. It's Labor Day. So shout out sa tanang workers din na ano ba tayo nagyapon sa pagpugi. Tapos na lang. Close. Ready na naman. Basta. It's 9:20 already. So, mas agad may Ray. Yeah, Ray. So, mga itong content karon paglulong tag trabahoan. So, let's go. It's Wednesday already. So having Sunday off by tomorrow. It's Thursday shift na. So day off na. Tumuno na ako sa maayong atong buhatan by Thursday. By Saturday, every Saturday. Buwan pa. Sa mga. Nato guys, wala may traffic tayo. Hindi na bandalan. So, instead na dira ta, harita dira yung mga parking area dyan sa nag-turn slot kay na. So we're all good right now. So, yes, Guncat is Wednesday and it's your boy kasama sa Sunday House, yo. So, naglangas-langas sa sun. So, on our way to duty. Duty na ta padong tag pa Robinson Galleria Cebu, which is RGC or town level. So kana guys, so we're here right now. Medyo traffic pagigihapon ang buwan, but still thankful Lord, please guide us na safely ato ang kinabuhi, ato ang pag-travel. So wala, shout out sa mga tanang gahero din na karoon. And guys, so don't forget to play that's the only our passion here by the time we travel down to Mayra Guys, just to pray. So salamat sa tanang grasya, another day or another night, another opportunity to change our lives. So kanara guys, so padayon lang ta, but if you really want to have or eager to have a new start or a new result, you need to start something new also. So dapat na kay buhaton ng eager or bago na begin of it. So that's the only thing guys. Uy, talaga mga baby girls in the meantime. So shout out to all the beautiful out there. So na sa daan sa kinasangan karon is no ni siya padulong sa Painayawa or Bogon Park. Okay, so guys, are you down in life, struggles, pain, problems? So pangutan na yung kagalingon kana na yung problema ha. Why you cannot have that problem is wala sa kabuhat niya rason para may tapunan siya o may mga resulta. So be accountable lang guys sa ayaw display mo tanan-tanan sa imong isig katawo sa imong pagkakaganaw kung sa imong problema karon kung ano problema sa imong sala. So in order for you to solve the problem, you need to find ways by yourself. Ay nanagalisod ka wakay kwarta pangutan na napakay trabaho pangutan na pwede tayo magtrabaho ka sa ibuhat mo para sa imong sweldo kung saan ito imong sweldo o pag-iwaldas o pag-save or pag-ina-invest sa negosyo. So that's the goal here. So anara pinanabi tayo ng pangutan na ito you need to evaluate yourself kung asa ka sa iyo naman. It's all about being accountable about those reasons hindi mo ang ginasay. So what's my point? So the point is just like this. Nila na siya guys. Ang punto is that all of those things based on plastic as well as all the achievements kung nakuha ka sa yung life about achievements that's how you go kuha na siya. It is a result of pursuing those things nga yung so ano na nabita to be accountable. Ayaw anang blaming blaming other people kaya ano masikat pang blame guys, sikat pang blame ana may tabo ana kuan instead nga kanang tabol ka sa inyo masala kanang may balilin ano instead said nga, oo nga na siya guys, about your pride. Ay, dili, tungod din niya. Ang pangutaan na, sa pagkakaroon, if wala kayo trabaho, tambay ka. Do you think, ang blue naglaing tao, wala ko na trabaho, wala ko trabaho, no, it's not like that, ayaw na guys. It is really that idea na kung ano yung happen. So, I'll be accountable na dyan. Accept the fact na sa'yo ka. Accept the fact that it is all your fault. Kasi na-status kung karoon sa kinabuhay. So it's like me, there's a lot of things I'm not really perfect. There's a lot of things that I need to really also or not just really or change my life about habits, about the things that I'm doing. So which is dagang yung po sa'yo. Ano man, we're just I'm just a human. So I still make mistakes. So as of the moment, dagang ko mga sayop na tinatake as a lesson na dili na dapat ni mga buhaton. So when the time comes na masayop pagkausa kaduha, it's okay. But if sige na nimo kung sa kanang sayop na it is your kuan na gyud kanang ginuhatan na gyud mo tanga na gyud kay dili na gina sa imo na gyud ang pagbuot imo na gyud ang kuan na sayop pag-usap. So take it as a lesson guys in every mistake. Why those mistakes that you had so you will get it. Ano man, every mistake has a lesson, has its own purpose. It's like by the time na abot ka ng kalimutan na hindi ka nakabalo dito na diba? So what we have done is to cry by the time na gutom ka or hungry or by the time na ano mo na. So kung sa'yo ang point na nasa pagkakita mo na ka, naabot sa point na nagungko ka, nausamod ka, nilagpa ka, natumba ka. But the fact that stand alone ka, stand up ka, pabalik, sabi na nabita, makainan ka, nakatulog ka. Ito naman, mistake plus you will not know what's the correct or the exact one you know about the mistake. So you need to know first what's the mistake or what's the wrong idea that you don't need to take in order for you to have that courage to take your lesson. So mga na guys, akong i-end akong video kay kagalit ko so sa check na ito. So talk na